Got my guitar, I've got my wine. Where we can go, live by the sea, swim in the ocean.
Is it?
This is it, mate.
What are we doing here?
Well, Nuggy, a good mate of ours, has told us to meet him here. He's got a surprise for us. We have no idea what it is.
Hi, welcome to Road to Vino. Bit of mystery tonight.
Nugs, how are you, mate?
Thank you.
Good, good.
Nuggy?
How are you, mate?
Good. So,
Look at the Eden Valley pub, mate.
what are we doing here?
I can't tell you that, mate. It's a secret. So we'll just shoot out there and get you guys armed up. And
Nuggy McLean, international man of mystery. Did he give you any clues as to where he was going?
No. No, we didn't. Here we go.
And he's taking us to a bit later.
Alright, there's not a lot going on around here. Follow me, Qwoff.
well, first, guys, you're going to need one of those.
Fishing?
Fishing?
You're taking us fishing?
Yeah, take you fishing. It's a little Barossa pastime that a lot of us young fellas, and most of the older ones as well, I'm sure did it too.
Alright.
In the past.
Where is this fishing hole?
Not far from the house there, so we've got to be a little bit quiet, eh? I'm lucky it's
Sorry, what's the one?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, guys, so we used to come out here quite a bit as we were kids. It's a good little dam, actually. Bit of walk to get to there, but you know, we
Dark.
fun. It is a bit dark, isn't it? You watch your footing. You got a little dam out here.
Nice.
You know what you're doing, Jess?
Mate,
Take cover.
of course I know.
That's the way.
Yeah.
They come right up close to the shore, do they?
Shut up.
How's it going, Jess?
Yeah, there's not a lot happening.
You get a few frogs.
Yep.
Maybe if we shut up for a minute.
Yeah, maybe you stop scaring them away.
Sorry, hang on.
Oh, hello.
Sorry.
Frogs on this side too.
I think I'm downwind.
I was counting on it.
You picked a good night to go come up and do some fishing.
It's alright, isn't it?
How nice is it?
Stars.
Oh,
You serious?
All right.
yeah, I got something, but it's not there anymore.
You gonna cook these?
We'll cook them up later on, yeah.
Wicked.
We might pop in, see a friend and get her to cook them up. She does a really good job.
Beauty.
Nice, alright.
And they've got some really good Eden Valley Riesling.
Well, this is what we came for. Now you're talking. Can you brought a bottle with you?
Wait, guys.
You got.
Seriously.
Hey, hang on. Where's the bucket?
Quick.
Don't lose bring it.
Oh,
Hey, hey! I'll get the bucket.
Look. Fuck, someone grab it. Someone grab it.
You got a knife?
No.
Oh, it's huge. Well done.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, sorry. That's all right. Have a look at that.
Fish number one.
Oh, shit.
Is that? Shh. No, keep it up.
No, the guy's got. Oh, shit.
Fuck, get down.
Yeah, get down. So a lot of people do rabbit shooting and kangaroo shooting, but
Oh, good.
yeah.
Hop down the hill, Andre.
Yeah, nice. Thanks. Diversion. Should we just apologise?
Oh,
Jesus Christ!
Shit, go!
Bloody hell! What you bloody news? Oh, now he's fucking comedian. Oh shit!
Go.
Oh, 07?
That's the last day of pruning, Bob. It's bloody awesome. Oh, Nuggy.
Hey, big fella.
G'day, how are you?
What have you got there? Something exciting?
Justin.
Oh, hey, Justin.
A fish.
We went through a lot to catch this fish.
You've got the bread
Big
and
enough for
wine.
one fish.
Well, we probably need to have some wine.
Oh, now this is what we've been waiting for, right?
So how did you choose the
think
spot?
so.
Because I kind of have a vague idea where you went. And you know, I didn't actually want to tell you beforehand, but we do have some Chardonnay down. I thought it'd be a really good idea if you actually
That's the thrill of the
find
chase,
it.
isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Big
This is
coon.
how all Riesling should be drunk. In magnums.
Looks
This
like
is-
it was.
It was. And there are more where this comes from.
Really?
And it's a beautiful thing.
I went into some fun.
Wait, don't you usually do this, Bob?
No. In my younger days.
We have a long-standing relationship here.
So we drinking,
We're nice to each other.
Yeah.
We're drinking on 07.
Which is rather lovely.
Right now. It's only 40 dozen.
It's
The
beautiful.
other one, the 09, is 70 dozen. And the 2010 is 104 dozen.
Yeah.
But that's
You're
cases.
growing fast, Bob.
yeah.
You'll have Dan Murphy's on you in a second.
It's a long way from the old days when you used to talk in 1,000 containers or 1,000 cases. But that's how we are now. On the hill in Eden Valley, we work in the gardens. Our own little garden sits like this, and we just make this much. And that's the whole point. That's the big secret of the Gardens of Eden, is you're going to have to come and find us and see what we do different.
I've decided we're going to do a salad because, you know, we're stretching it. A couple of loaves of fishes. And I'm sorry, I hate...
One bloody fish nuggy.
So if you want to just give me a hand breaking it into bits like that. And what I've got in here is some fennel and some baby cos, new season asparagus because it's almost that time. And Trev March down the road has got asparagus vines that have dated back for over 100 years. Apparently. Yeah, apparently. And I think what's really important about the region is that we actually have we've got a duck producer. We have somebody that grows pigs locally. Mount Pleasant Butcher, fabulous butcher. He's got this fabulous old smokehouse. He brings in some ocean trout and he actually smokes it the way he smokes his bacon. You know, so we've got all these great things happening here. You know, for me, as a chef, it's a beautiful thing because I know that I can source at least 5 or 6 different things from this region and know that they actually are from Eden Valley. Right, so what I've done, Nuggy, because I knew you were poaching some trout.
No, he wasn't poaching.
No, I knew you were potentially looking for some trout. I thought, what's perfect with Riesling, and you know what's perfect up here. Generally for us is lots of citrus profile. You know, lots of limes, lemons, orange blossom, etc., etc., etc. So I reduced some oranges down because I think orange and that slightly fattiness of trout is, you know, it just marries so beautifully with Riesling. So reduced a bit of orange juice down, and I've got a bit of citrus. Yeah, and I've actually amalgamated this with a bit of olive oil from a local grower. Which is
Go Eden.
no, it's no Eden.
Go Eden, go.
Go Eden, go Eden. And I've made a duck egg cream because the ducks are laying eggs like you wouldn't believe. So this is basically like a mayonnaise. You help yourself to this. It's so Eden Valley. It's so Riesling. Yeah, it's so. Sorry, hang on. I've got to get the spoon.
Yeah, and you don't mind if we kidnap Jill for the rest of our adventures as our resident foodie in the comedy, do you?
No, I don't know. Well, it's funny. He was trying to get rid of me yesterday.
Give it back to Anna.
Pretty much. I mean, we wouldn't have it.
You'll get there.
I love it. Let's say that. Coming back, Jonathan. Riesling.
I can remember
That's her
what my
second
wife looked
personality.
like in 2003.
What are you trying to tell me?
Nothing.
Oh, this could go really bad. Keep going.
Yeah, that's awesome stuff.
So what are you saying tonight?
Yeah, we can go.